Alright, here's an SVR.
The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Tensas Parish in northeastern Louisiana, southeastern Madison Parish in northeastern Louisiana, Warren County in west central Mississippi, Claiborne County in southwestern Mississippi, central Jefferson County in southwestern Mississippi, western Hinds County in central Mississippi, western Copiah County in central Mississippi, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Tallulah to 7 miles southeast of Somerset to 6 miles northeast of Churchill, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Yokina around 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Vicksburg, Red Lick, and Laturn around 4:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Patterson, Blue Hill, and Rocky Springs around 4:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Peyton, Reganton, and McBride around 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Newman around 5:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Utica, Barlow, and Allen around 5:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Youngton around 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Glency, Dentville, and Dry Grove around 5:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Mound, Learned, Delta, and Richmond. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.